Katkum kajinge thu Jong U Director ka Health Services U Dr. Aman war henne ka hendro terek unailar ulay thu bautu ubalong positive ubalet Sha Rangthong PHC but hayo makarwat Dei Uba Trei ha civil hospital Shillong. Katkum kajinge thu Dr. Aman war une ubrio ulami hi na ka quarantine center but ulay bo ya ka kurim Sha Rangthong katba ka result ka Jong U na ka benta u COVID-19 kampat mi.
Day before yesterday, he had broken the quarantine rules. He was put up in one of the quarantine centers of the government. He had gone to drop his missus at Rangthong PHC, entered 1 p.m. and the PHC proper. And then when he returned back, he had gone to other places. We are doing the contact tracing now. And then went back to the quarantine center without anyone knowing this. Because the quarantine center which they had put up is in a hotel for the health workers. So for this, we are awaiting reports for this because he is working in civil hospital. When his report turned out to be positive, he has been taken to the Corona Care Center, and after he recovers, then we will take a call on what action is to be taken, because he is a government employee, so he is governed by all rules of the government. So we will see what call we are going to take, and that also we have to send the report to the government, and then government will take a call on this.